Well, it's car show time. Happy Father's Day, everybody. We are here, Merrick train station, huge Father's Day show to benefit correction officers. We did the show last year. It was a couple towns away. Now, as you can see, huge lot, tons of cars. Let's take a walk around. Got all the cars here. This is a charity show to benefit correction officers. It's my buddy Adam's twin turbo Coyote. Dante's California Special. Anthony's car. Happy birthday, Anthony. Vinny's car. Just some beautiful, lots of GT500. I believe this is Carmine's 350. Keith's GT350. Anthony's Boss 302. His wife's beautiful 86. Just some amazing cars here on the property. Here's my Terminator. My buddy Mike's beautiful GT500. Might do a feature on this. Just tons and tons of Mustangs. And that's just in this section. We kind of took this section over. Nothing crazy. We got Paulie in the building. Yep. Of course, Paulie's got his Fox body. Joe's GT500. A couple more GT500s over here. Maybe that's Carmine's, I'm not sure. So we're going to take a walk around. Pretty much anything you could think of. C7s. Nice, maybe 79, 80 Firebird, Trans Am. There's another TA, looks to be like maybe a 75, 76. Who's the builder of this car?
Something like that.
Nice car.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
EcoBoost?
Yeah, of course.
EcoBoost. All right. Baby. So, had a great time here at the Father's Day Car Show, and if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, or better yet, make sure you subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel, and I will see you on the next one.